Hey everyone, today I would like to show you a tool where you can use the newest AI models completely for free. And this includes also Chat GPT5. Let's get started. So the tool is called LM Arena and you can access it by going to lmarena.ai. It's completely free. You don't even have to create any accounts here. And basically what this tool is aimed at is comparing the different models. And this is this purpose of this tool. It's been created last year, and the most important feature of it, you can see it's quite clean, is this leaderboard here. So basically once you click here on the leaderboard, you can see the different rankings. And we are right after GPT-5 was released, and you can already see that it's dominating most of the categories. So in text, it's on the first place, on web development, it's on the first place, but it's losing to Gemini. And the vision category, text to image, is also taken by Google. And the other categories in general are also dominated by OpenAI and or Google. So what we can see here are the different rankings. Now, how the rankings are created? They are created by users voting. And how the voting looks like is we have to go to new chat here. And what we can select are the three different modes. So the first mode is a battle mode, and I will just now ask it to generate something. Let's say write a social media post about AI, whatever, something like that. You just agree to the terms of the policy. Of course, the prompt that we have now written doesn't matter at all. But what you can see right now is we have two AI models that are generating for us an answer to our prompt. And when they are done, we can go through the answers and select which answer we like better. We can either say we like the left better, that it's a tie, they are both good enough. We like the right better, or that both are bad. So let's say it's a tie for me. And when I vote, now I will have the name of the models that were battling it out here displayed. So we had here Qwen and or Mistral. But I don't really use this mode. I don't think that it's that useful for your daily work. What I would very often use is the side-by-side comparison, because right now here I can select which model I am to compare. So we can select, for example, this a variation of GPT-5 versus Gemini, for example, right? And here we can ask it to write a post for social media about AI, right? And now the GPT-5 Mini High and Gemini 2.5 Pro will work on generating the outputs for us. After a while, the answers were generated, so we can go through them. We can see that GPT-5 has created like a short version, LinkedIn Professional, Instagram, Facebook, and so on, while the Gemini has created more of a, slightly different structure, but also a similar idea. And in general, I must admit, I like for such uses Gemini a little bit better so far than the GPT-5. I found that GPT-5 very often focuses too much on the keywords and doesn't really write enough texts for such uses like the social media posts. But that is basically an option that we can use it with the side-by-side comparison. And you also have a direct chat where you can directly, completely for free, select a model from here and you can just chat with it about anything, right? So you can just say hi. And with Gemini, usually you need to wait a little bit for an answer, but then it answers, hello, how can I help you? Of course, these prompts that I now written were very bad. If you want me to do a video on how to really use these AI models and write proper prompts, leave me a comment down below this video. What you can do on top is you can upload an image, you can search the web, or you can generate images. We just need to start a new session. And you have here the same three modes. So you can, let's say, side by side, and let's say generate an image of a cozy garden in afternoon sun. Right, and now the two models will generate two images completely for free once again. Now we have the two pictures, right? We have the left one, you have the right one. We can decide which is better. Let's say I would say the left one is better. And then my vote will be counted towards these leaderboards that we have gone over right here. And that's it for LM Arena. So I use this in my personal work. It's completely free, so I don't have to pay for anything on top. It doesn't have any limits, or I didn't reach any yet, and I'm really using this a lot. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.